looks like it might work. There's a bit of water over there because I dumped it in water to find the leak. We'll pump it up again. So if you watch this arrow or needle go round, that's got us into the green. That should do, because we can only go down the length of my kitchen anyway. So we give a little push to get it going. That worked. Has it got any left? Yes, got plenty left. Well, that's brilliant. After a false start, when I thought it was all going to go wrong horribly, we've got a working air engine powered car. Now I'm happy. I was quite unhappy because we're missing the proper axle, but I fixed that. We were missing lots of screws, but I fixed that. And we only had one valve put in wrong, just that one. All the others were okay. Brilliant. I wonder how far it would go. There'll be a link in my video description to Tom Stanton's video. He converted one of these to radio control. He did a 3D printer bit up here so he could put a bigger bottle on it. Ordinary pop bottle size, 1.5 litre. And that went for ages. But this went for, well, quite a long way. I think if it had steering on it, it would have gone round in circles for ages. Well, I'm really pleased with that now. I was beginning to get disheartened with odd bits missing, but it works, and I love air-powered toys. So there'll be a link to them in the video description as well.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.